Hi guys, this is Ravi and you're listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. It's Sunday, April 11th. Time again for another technical outlook video where we would be looking at some technical charts and try to identify trading opportunities for the coming week. As always, let's use option chain analysis, support and resistance zones, and trend lines to do just this. Want to meet like minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments, and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. All charts are courtesy of Dr. Om Prakash Deshmukh, a senior member of our Telegram group, and I appreciate his time and effort on this exercise greatly. Let's start with the Nifty 50 index. The frontline index has formed a long-term inverted head and shoulders pattern on its hourly chart. The neckline comes at about 14,875 levels and the index has given breakout from the same. Post breakout, the index has again dipped back to neckline support and is again seeing buying participation coming into it. Sustaining at current levels, the index can rally towards its all-time high of 15,431 levels in the coming days. In the current scenario, one may look at going long on the Nifty 50 above the recent high of 14,984 for a target around 15,200. A lack of support from Nifty Bank is dragging the index, so one has to have a very cautious approach. Now to Nifty Bank. The Nifty Bank index has formed a rounding top pattern on its hourly chart, where it just curves on the upside. This pattern is primarily bearish. Also, the banking index has tested its support line placed at 32,450 levels multiple times in the recent sessions. As we know, the more times a support is tested, the higher the chances are of a breakdown. In the current scenario, one may look at going short on the Nifty Bank below the recent low of 32,202.75. It's only above the recent high of 33,302.65 that you can confirm an intermediate uptrend. On the daily chart, Nifty FMCG has broken out from a rounding bottom pattern. After almost a 4-month consolidation period, the index has broken out of its resistance levels of 35,000 and has now turned bullish. Tata Consumer Products and Hindustan Lever are two of the most important components of the FMCG index to look out for. Coming to Tata Consumer Products, one may look at going long on a retest of 638 levels, which is incidentally also the low of the breakout candle. Nifty Pharma 2 has given a breakout from the falling trendline resistance, which is bullish for short to medium term. In the current scenario, one may look at going long on any of the important components above the recent high of 13,476.8. On the daily chart, Nifty IT2 has broken out from a rounding bottom pattern. Fall in the rupee versus the US currency is broadly seen as the positive for export focused sectors like the Indian IT and pharma space. One may look at going long on TCS, one of the important components of the Nifty IT index, at 3300 levels, or once it gives a breakout of cup and handle formation for a modest target of 3400. Gujarat Fluorochemicals Limited gave a breakout of cup and handle formation with good volumes on Friday, and momentum indicators suggest further upside from current levels. Now to option chain analysis. Let's look at the option chain of the April 15th weekly expiry. Let's start with Nifty. Maximum put open interest was seen at 14,500 strike and maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 strike. The change in open interest is the highest at the 14,800 strike on the put side and the 15,000 strike on the call side. Huge amount of fresh shorts were written in the 15,050 to 15,150 zone. This suggests that this zone might act as the immediate resistance level for Nifty in the coming sessions. Now to Bank Nifty. Maximum put open interest was seen at 32,500 strike and maximum call open interest was seen at 33,000 strike. The change in open interest is the highest at the 32,500 strike on both the call and the put side. This suggests that supports and resistances are shifting lower. Fresh call writing was witnessed in almost every strike price in the Bank Nifty index. This suggests a sell on rise approach towards the resistance zone of 33,000. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.